I'm Nina. Today I will learn about vegetables. Let's learn together. Broccoli. Broccoli. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Red bell pepper. Red bell pepper. Green bell pepper. Green bell pepper. Yellow bell pepper. Yellow bell pepper. Cabbage. Cabbage. Mushroom. Mushroom. Tomato. Tomato. Peas. Peas. Pepper. Pepper. Zucchini. Zucchini. Carrot. Carrot. Eggplant. Eggplant. Leek. Leek. Onion. Onion. Potato. Potato. Asparagus. Asparagus. Radish. Radish. Garlic. Garlic. Lettuce. Lettuce. Corn. Corn. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Okra. Okra. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. I loved learning about vegetables with you. Ask your mommy to let you play with me again tomorrow. Subscribe to my channel.